90-90 with hip lift. Set up position, have your feet either. You will find tip, pretend you're holding a fish bowl. Yes, a fish bowl, and it's filled up to the rim with water. So we do not want to spill it. Your body's going to move as one unit. I move to my right. I will show you different angles from this position. This is what we call a 90-90 without a hip lift. As I come back to the center, I move as one unit, opposite side. When we finish the movement, it is okay if you have to support yourself in the beginning. Our goal is to stay upright. And then we come back. Left and right is one. Side view. I move to the left from this position. Ideally, this leg will be further back. That's the 90-degree angle. And this will be a 90-degree flexion with my knee also and up to my hip. Here is a hip lift. Prop myself up. That is the hip flip. 3, 2, 1 down. Opposite side. Turn. Up, 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 up. Shoulders above my hips. 3, 2, 1 down. And return. Where you should never feel it is your lower knee. Enjoy the exercise.